How to zoom on TikTok. Hi friends, welcome to TechSolve. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can zoom on TikTok. I'll show you steps on how to zoom while making a TikTok video and zoom while watching videos in your FYP. Alright guys, let's begin with the first one, which is how to zoom while making a TikTok video. So you tap on the plus icon to access your camera, then you tap on the video option. Alright, to zoom while recording, you want to use your two fingers on the screen. Just place your two finger on the screen and zoom in like you want to make something bigger, as you can see. So way to zoom. Still with your two finger on the screen, zoom out like you want to make something smaller, like this. You can do this while recording and your video will show the zoom in and zoom out. So this is a very easy way to zoom while making your own video. Alright, now let's zoom a TikTok video. Maybe you are scrolling through a video and you come across something of interest you can't really see. You can easily use your two fingers to zoom in and zoom out like this. However guys, there's a more effective way to zoom on TikTok or on any app. Okay, to do this, exit TikTok and go to your settings. Go to your settings. In your setting, what you want to do is just to type in magnification, search for magnification, instead of going through your accessibilities, which might waste time. Just use the search icon to search in magnification. As you can see on the screen, this is a place you can zoom. You can see the zoom effect. Okay, now tap on it. You see it under the accessibility page. You see my magnification is on or is off. What I want to do is to turn on magnification. What does this really mean? It shows process on how to use it. Use shortcuts to start magnification. Tap the screen, drag two fingers to move around, pinch with two effects and the likes. So toggle on the switch in front of magnification and got it, and you can see the magnification icon is already on your screen for shortcuts. You can also type in the magnification type you like. Just tap on magnification type. Do you want it for your full screen or part of your screen, or to switch between full and partial screen? I guess I prefer with full screen, so I could just go with full screen and tap on save. Now go back, go to your TikTok and check if this will work. Alright, now before you can zoom, just tap on the magnification option there and tap on where you want to zoom. As you can see, it has helped you with zooming. You can tap on it to make it smaller. Keep zooming out to make it smaller. Just tap on it and smaller. Alright, let's scroll and try it for another video. Tap on the magnification. You see it becomes bigger. Adjust it to where you want to see. To reduce it, then tap on it to make it smaller. So this is a very easy way you can zoom content on TikTok. A very simple way to zoom content on TikTok. I hope this helped you guys. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Bye guys, and see you in the next video.